Hello everyone, today we wanna make the most amazing steak sandwich. Stay tuned, eat. Where is my knife? In the first step, mix butter, parsley and garlic with each other and heat until the butter melts. Cut anywhere you like and spread this mixture. The aroma of this mixture with the croissant is crazy. Go to golden color. Our sauce contains mayonnaise, mustard, garlic, lemon, spring onion, red chili pepper, black pepper, and MSG in a bowl and mix well. This sauce can be the base of many sandwiches. Be sure to dry the surface of the meat to absorb more flavors. Cover it with salt and black pepper and rub well. Clean the same pan and pour olive oil. When the oil is hot, add the steak. Heat the steak according to its size. Add butter, garlic and rosemary in final 3 minutes. Grease the meat with the help of this combination so that the aroma of the ingredients are transferred to the meat. We are talking about a Rosemary method. Let the steak rest for about 5 minutes. For the sandwich topping, cut the onion into rings and fry it immediately in the same pan. All the flavors of the steak penetrate to the onion. Add black pepper, salt, and Worcestershire to it for more flavor. After resting the meat, cut it almost thinly. I would like to cook medium rare for the sandwiches. Add salt and black pepper at the end. I have nothing to say as much as this food is delicious. The combination of this steak with the unique buttery flavor of croissant is incredible. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Take care.